Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World. Today I will teach you how to make cheesy Tandoori Maggi. The flavors of tandoori and the very special Maggi together brings a very delicious and a unique flavor, and you will all love it. So let's quickly get started. In a hot wok, adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also add mustard oil if you want to. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm adding the chopped garlic cloves. Once the garlic cloves it's light brown in color, I'm going to add the chopped red onions into it. You can see all the measurements of the vegetable in the description box. Going to saute a little bit of the onion and the garlic together, probably just 10 to 15 seconds, not much. Now adding the mixed red and green bell peppers. Those are chopped. Also adding green chilies, chopped. I'm using 1 green chili. If you want, you can use more. Saute all the vegetables together until it turns light brown in color. As you all know by now, this is the tandoori cheesy Maggi. So I'm using the tandoori masala. You can add half a teaspoon of that. This is optional. So if you want, you can add it, and if you don't want, then you can just add the masala taste maker which you have. So now adding the Maggi masala taste maker, combining the masala and the vegetables together well, and then it's time to add the Maggi noodles. So mixing the Maggi noodles together with the masalas and the vegetables. Thereafter, I'm adding half a teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chili Powder. If you want, you can add more of it. It does depend on your spice level. Mixing everything well together so that all the masalas are well combined with the Maggi noodles. And now it's time to add the water. Adding 1 small bowl of water into the Maggi. I'm not going to add a lot of water into it. If you want, you can add later a little bit of water if you see that the Maggi is not well cooked. Thereafter, covering the pan with a lid and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You can see now that the Maggi is cooked well, and now it's time to add the cheese. I'm using here shredded cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. So the cheesiness of the Maggi is already there. Now it's time to add the tandoori flavor. I'm going to add the smoky tandoori flavor in this Maggi by heating up a charcoal. I'm using the second side of the burner and the Maggi is on the other side. I have put it in low to medium flame, and here I'm actually with a tong heating up a small piece of charcoal here. Once you can see that the fire has lit up, the charcoal is ready to put it into the Maggi. So I'm transferring the charcoal into a small bowl I have kept in the Maggi and going to put it there and add little bit of butter or olive oil. I'm adding here olive oil, and just when smoke is generated, just cover the pan and keep it for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the smokiness of the charcoal gets induced into the Maggi. After 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid and remove the charcoal. And now it's time to serve the delicious smoky flavored cheesy tandoori Maggi. This is so delicious. Just give this recipe a try, friends, and you're going to find it amazing. Garnishing the Maggi with little bit of shredded cheddar cheese, which I already have. And now I can't wait. I have to try this delicious, luscious, amazing Maggi as soon as I can, and serve this as soon as you can with all the masalas and the smokiness of the charcoal and the tandoori and the cheese together is so delicious. Just give this a try and let me know how was it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Show Me's World if you haven't yet. and see you soon. Until next time, bye bye.